Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Uh,
wabarakatuh.
Now we can we can podcast study abroad with brother Satik and brother Yafi.
Yes, of course.
Uh,
Start. You want to ask or give an
Okay.
opinion, maybe?
okay, I want to
Start
ask
from
to you. Are you have the Are you have plan to study abroad to outside country?
Outside, overseas.
Overseas.
Okay, maybe for me, I have, I already planned and I already joined like study abroad program. I mean for learning and going abroad in one day.
Okay.
Maybe I want to go to Netherlands or England because the first is Netherlands. Why Netherlands? Because I want to feel how Copenhagen feel in there, and then I also choose England because I want to watch one of my favorite clubs, Manchester United.
Manchester.
Yeah, always, and then maybe yeah, I also want to feel how living in Manchester will be. So,
Okay.
how about you, Safik? Do you have?
Me, personally, I don't have current plans to go study abroad because one, my parents don't allow me to go abroad for my
Okay.
bachelor's degree. Secondly, and well, I do agree with my parents, and I actually prefer to maybe start here first. So take my first bachelor's degree here, and then if I want to take a master's degree or a second bachelor's, I will go outside.
Oh, I see. Which country do you want to?
Country.
What country?
USA.
To be honest, nothing too specific yet, but of course, the US is
Yeah.
one of my destinations because, well, my love of basketball will never disappear.
All right. Nice one.
What about you,
What
Nopal? Nopal, you speak now. Your turn.
Uh,
Do you want? Do you have plan?
oh salah. Actually, now I'm not have the plan to abroad.
Yes.
Yeah, because my parent
Do you want? Don't want.
oh because my parent don't want me to abroad in outside country, but uh, if but when apa tuh but
What? Say the word. Say the word.
but if I
Want to take another
when
degree?
to take
Another degree, second degree.
another degree, I want to going in UIM.
Go to
Madinah.
Saudi.
Ya, Madinah. Ya, because in that there is Mekah, ya kan. Mekah, I want to I want I want to
Valid.
biar mudah haji.
Talk in the mic. If you want to talk in the mic. Talk
Okay.
in the mic.
Because I want to easy to pray haji and then umroh.
Masya Allah.
Dah, maybe that.
Maybe that.
Ya.
Okay.
Apa ya?
Is there any country beside Saudi Arabia?
Besides Saudi, maybe other countries.
There's no.
No.
Spain,
You want to go?
Barcelona ya.
Yeah, Barcelona.
Ya. Can.
Go to Barcelona.
One, but there is no
No money.
there is no apa? There is no
What good university?
there is no university.
Research lah, Pal.
Research.
Research.
Not yet.
Not all great universities are defined by the ranking. You know.
Okay, noted.
Don't judge the book by its cover.
There is
no.
there is no. I want to Madinah.
Hmm. What major will you choose?
You first.
You first lah, Pal. You first.
Major in apa?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
University, what major do you want to go to study?
Business.
Oh, business.
Money guy.
Why business? Why?
Yeah.
Why do you choose a different one from the one you're currently studying in IDN right now?
Because I feel in IDN
What?
I feel in IDN enough for
IT.
for skill design.
So you're sick with designing. You want to vomit.
Yeah. I want and the next I want to have some business from my skill that's design gitu. Yeah.
So you want to start an agency after you finish.
Yes, I want to have some agency.
Syari agency. Cool.
And you?
But maybe I'm still the same at information system because I've been interested in making an app website. So according to my current study as a UI UX designer, maybe I want to continue as a system information student, college student, so I can work professionally
Okay.
in there.
Uh,
But I have an advice for Noval. You already have design skills, but if you combine with marketing skills, that's powerful.
very powerful. Pal.
That's powerful. Maybe. What about you, Safik?
Me, I am going in a very far direction. I am choosing to study in communication design. Communication design. No, communication. Sorry, my brain is in somewhere else. While I'm talking. I mean communication studies. So,
I know.
personally, spending like a total 6 years, five so far in IDN, has really grown my interest in communication. So maybe like
Okay, I know.
the theories, the logic, the many different things about design. I wanted to learn about it much further and maybe make it as one of my future career prospects. So, do you have any other options of majors beside business? You said
Business.
if that's when you want to go to IM. Maybe for now, after we graduate. What
Oh,
what degree? Wait, what major?
Yeah,
Was it?
what major?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You said if you want when you go to IM you will choose business. But after you
okay.
graduate, studying here in Indonesia.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I mean. Astagfirullah.
What ya?
What? You haven't decided? Astagfirullah.
What ya?
System information. What?
This. Yeah, maybe that apa sistem.
FOMO, Pal.
You just that because of me.
Pal, why you?
No,
Pal, don't
because-
FOMO, Pal. FOMO
No,
is
no,
not
no
good,
FOMO.
Pal. Don't FOMO.
Why? Why you choose that?
Why? So why? Okay, little intermezzo. Continue.
Maybe I want to take major say maybe design apa?
System information.
System information because I want to learning again to be expert designer. Yeah, maybe that. And
Okay. And you?
Maybe beside system information because it's already basic to me. We already learn it in IDN. I also want to be. I also want to study in broadcasting major,
Ooh,
like
oh, that is nice. I like
yeah,
that.
like
I like that. I
streaming
like that.
and the others. And I want to be like sports journal too.
Sports journalist.
Yeah, sports journal is interesting because I always see like Shams and then Fabrizio Romano and the others.
That's fun.
It's about transfer. It's about player transfer. That's interesting. Maybe that's for me.
Me, I don't have any backup options. I am fixated 100% on communication studies. I only have university options.
One of the extrovert guy.
An extrovert? No, I'm not exactly an extrovert, to be honest. But, well, while we're at it, I'm going to tell you my 6 options available. So far, I've decided on for PTN or perguruan tinggi negeri. So far, I've chosen Unpad
Oh, Pajajaran.
and UI,
Pajajaran.
yes, and then lastly Undip.
Deep.
Yes, so Unpad is my first option, and then the second on the backup I have UI, and the last option if I don't get both, I will choose. I chose Undip as the last option, and if I don't get all three through SNBP and SNBT, I will not choose Mandiri. I will go to PTS. My main option is I haven't really decided. My first and second option is either BINUS or UMN.
Hmm.
You know UMN? You know UMN? UMN?
What?
UMN, yes. Universitas Multimedia Nusantara.
Oh. And then
That or the third option is TELU,
tell you.
Telkom University.
How about you, Pal? Do you have any? Do you have many options of university you have?
Ayo Pal,
Like 1 or 3?
don't.
I can say anything.
Okay, don't tell me you haven't decided on major and university, Pal.
Oke,
No,
oke,
there's
siap,
no
siap.
way you haven't.
Major you already.
Ya,
Okay,
bisnis.
information itu system.
So now you decide what
University.
like UI atau and then
If I take the SNBP, I want to
what major first
apa?
business or
Ya bisnis.
Business. Okay.
They want to go UGM,
UGM. Okay.
University
And then
UGM, and then the second option is apa?
what?
IPB.
Ah, IPB.
IPB.
Okay,
Nah,
IPB.
Maybe that only
Only
two.
two. Okay, only
how about
only two.
if you study as information system college where do you want to
What
study?
what campus? What campus? That's for business,
Oh.
business, right?
Ya itu bisnis.
That's business. Okay.
And then yeah,
If the major is information study, you will go to UGM and IPB or IPB too.
Ya.
Or different or same.
No different.
No different.
different.
Okay, same campus.
maybe
No option in what swasta school? Yeah, private school. No.
no. Maybe for me, I want to if I also take the SMB what SM what
SNBP
SNBP.
SMBP.
or
I want to
SNBT.
go to like Noval first UGM and then
Okay.
for the second option maybe I want to go to Undip too like my sisters. My sister is there in major is what I forgot. And then the third option maybe I will go to University of Indonesian.
Okay, UI.
Yeah, OI.
UI.
And if okay, so for the journal, for the broadcasting, I still haven't decided because I'm still exploring about broadcasting. And if I already did that, if I already done that, I will go explore about university that really good at broadcasting. So I
Okay.
haven't decided for broadcasting yet.
Okay.
Maybe if I go to overseas, I also want to go to Harvard or Oxford.
Us.
Maybe
Big school, wow, big
that's
school.
only the two option of overseas program. Do you want?
Cool.
Cool, cool. Yeah, cool. You cool, Mal?
Okay.
You cool, Mal?
Of course.
Come on, you have any questions or something?
If you want to go to overseas, where do you want to go? I mean, you have like wish, you have like list, like you want to go to Camp Nou and other.
Bucket list, your bucket list.
Where do you want to go?
Bucket list of destinations.
Go overseas.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Nah,
The first I want to go Spain.
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 What
And then
what city? What city? Maybe what city?
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
What do you wanna do in Barcelona? Eat
Uh,
Barcelonan food or do something else?
The first I want to play together with Barcelona player.
Okay,
Barcelona
playing
player,
together.
okay.
A one day contract ya pala?
Iya,
One day contract.
Nah, one day contract, and then I want to buy one, at least one jersey lah, one
Okay.
official jersey. Okay.
We sign.
Jersey, yeah.
That's expensive.
Sign with player signatures. Yeah.
Yeah, and then signature.
Who do you want to have?
Oh, Pedri.
Pedri.
Pedri and Jamal. Pedri Jamal. Nah. Tuh.
Where do you want it signed? Maybe on your hand, your face,
Or on your jersey?
My jersey and
Your face.
your face.
for what my face for what?
For signature.
Yeah. They do the signature on your face like that.
Ya, oke.
You want?
Okay, you want?
No.
Oh, on jersey always.
Just
Just
in
on the
jersey.
jersey. Okay.
Only.
And the last is apa tuh? And the last food in Spain.
Oh, you want to try?
Okay.
Try food in Spain.
Okay.
Okay.
Only Barcelona.
And
Just Barcelona.
Only Spain.
okay. And the second is Malaysia.
Malaysia. Malaysia.
Yeah.
Why is that? Why is that?
Because because I have friends in that. Just friend. Normal friends. Normal friends.
I
Yeah,
see.
because I want have one friend and then and that
And then you take her to dinner. Right?
oh no. Oh no.
Take her to dinner by the river like that apa ya?
No, I want to apa? Just
Meet.
just meet and then
Uh,
in Malaysia. Oh bukan.
Oh, dinner Petronas Tower,
Dinner
wow.
Pet- Okay, and the second maybe Singapore. Singapore. The third is Spain to Malaysia, and the third Singapore.
Why?
Because no friend.
Oh, okay.
Because in that there is apa Apple company kan.
Okay.
Apple company. Ya, I want to
You want to silaturahmi?
silaturahmi. I want to ini apa?
But
I want
to buy iPhone.
to buy iPhone in
But you can also buy iPhone in Indonesia.
Why not?
Indonesia.
Why not buy at iBox? What's the difference? Why?
Yeah.
Lebih ini
Or you want to buy the what? I forgot how do I say saham?
Apple
You
saham.
want to buy the stock, their stock.
Yeah. Do you want to buy Apple stock here or
You want to invest.
Ya, I want to invest.
Invest.
at Apple?
Amin. Nah, maybe that's for me. And you?
We start from Shafiq.
Me. Wow, I don't have serious plans to go anywhere abroad, but I do. But like some rough sketches, maybe like going to France to see like the Eiffel Tower,
Oh,
and then just go sightseeing and then like look at some clothes because I like how French people fashion themselves. It's like, in my opinion, somewhat elegant in their own way.
yeah, I know, I know.
And then go to the US, watch an NBA game, maybe courtside or somewhere close to
The player.
the court. Yes, take some pictures, get a jersey, get some signatures, a photo, to something like that.
Okay. And next me ya.
Yeah, yo.
Yes,
Okay, so like usual, the first is England and Netherlands,
glory,
and also
glory, Man
Spain.
United.
England, Netherlands, Spain, and hmm, oh yeah, I want to go to Maldives.
Maldives,
Maldives.
Ooh.
Maldives because okay, first I want to tell you about my reason to go to England. You guys already know before. I already said that I want to watch Manchester United and have some signature
Yes, of
from
course.
the players, and then Netherlands. Yeah, I want to feel how living in Copenhagen feels. So because I have future plan that I want to live in Netherlands someday, and then
And marry a
Married in Netherlands.
marry
Inshallah,
or get married to a Dutch girl. Yes.
I don't know if that's girl or no, but Spain same like Noval because I'm one of the Barcelona small fans, but bigger in one. I have love in Man United, not Barcelona.
Okay.
I already gave full love to Manchester United, not Barcelona.
Karbit.
Just small fan, like side club. I want to watch Barcelona, and then yeah, I also want to try the foods, get some clothes, traditional clothes, and learn Spanish a bit.
Okay.
And then why I want to go to Maldives because the nature is so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Because yeah, you can see in internet there's so much beach with the blue water, you know, blue water. Yeah, and when at night it says that the waves is glowing.
Glowing.
Yeah, the waves is glowing.
Like actually glowing.
Yeah, like actually glowing, but every waves
Really?
around us it's glowing.
I never heard that, but cool.
Maybe that's from me about where do I want to go.
Okay. Les Nipal, from you first ya. Las.
Let's go.
What have you prepared for college?
Yeah.
Talk now.
Mm.
What have you prepared for
Your
college?
mom always said that you need to find some what beasiswa. Yeah, scholarship. Yeah, your mom said that you want to find a scholarship. Where? And yeah, how do you prepare the scholarship program, or yeah, how do you prepare for something to do in college?
The first,
Study.
of course, study.
Study.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
The second, I want to research again the university.
University, okay.
University major.
Mm.
Okay. And the last is and now I'm still search the scholarship
Scholarship program.
scholarship program
Hmm.
because my major apa ya gimana jurusan gua tuh
It's hard. It's hard to find.
is hard to find in scholarship.
Okay.
Yeah, for my major. Okay. And the last is doa.
Oi.
Pray,
Pray.
pray.
Pray. But you always skip zuhur prayer.
Astagfirullahaladzim, when?
Yesterday.
Oh, oke. Astagfirullahaladzim, gak boleh.
Astagfirullahaladzim. You want scholarship but skip pray.
When I am when.
Okay, so Only that.
Only that. Just for.
Okay.
Still basic preparation, yeah.
Yes.
How about abroad preparation, like document or what? The
Language, language. How about the
Maybe my
the
language.
passport,
The passport, my language.
and the others. What? How? You already prepare?
Not, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Maybe that. Maybe, how about?
How about OEM preparation? You said
Ah.
OEM.
Oh. Preparation to UIM. Maybe I'm still
Arab
learn
language.
again Arab language
Okay.
to be expert, and then the apa
Document. Document.
and then preparation for my document to go in that, and apa ya,
Only that.
only
Only
that,
that.
just to.
Okay. Do you want to ask me or Shafiq?
Okay, I want to ask again to Sapik.
Quick disclaimer ya, I haven't prepared anything to study abroad. Because except for English, there is something I actually have been holding since like what?
What do you want to ask?
What's it?
Okay, same like me.
Same.
Yeah,
Okay. For college preparations, I've mostly done research, basic research like deciding on my major, on which college I want to go, and then also the estimations on how much money they will cost in each of the first years,
Okay.
and that's how I know that going to private school is a slightly cheaper option than choosing jalur mandiri for going to public school.
Yeah.
So that's so far what I've prepared. I'm also probably gonna start to look into some competitions to maybe hopefully be able to enroll in SNBP. If can't, I will also study for SNBT. You know, right?
SNBT, yeah.
Yes, probably that. But for study abroad, I haven't prepared anything because I don't have any plans soon to
plans
study
to
abroad.
abroad?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Enough. That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to ask me? Or
Two more minutes, pal. Two more
One
minutes.
minute.
Okay, and
Two
last I want to
minute,
ask to
minute.
you.
Same.
Same
Same
like Sapik.
question.
Okay. So far, Indonesian University, I haven't prepared anything like math because I swear I hate math so much. Mathematics is so hard.
Who doesn't have?
I don't. I don't want to learn mathematics more. So that's why I
Same,
choose. I prefer to go abroad. Yeah, because all you need is IELTS, but you also need mathematics, but it's not that hard. Or SAT is not that hard. And for the document, I already prepare like passport. And for the language, hopefully I can improve more in English language.
Inshallah.
And last
Good.
and last, same like Noval, I always pray.
Yeah.
I started
Of course.
pray duha, alhamdulillah.
Inshallah, of course.
Maybe that's all.
Okay, maybe.
Okay. So yeah, okay. Start from me. The conclusion about study abroad. How do you go to study abroad? Is the first is pray. Always pray to Allah, and then you also need to study hard. Learn how study hard. Like yeah, if you want to go to somewhere, you need to do what and the others. And then yeah, maybe prepare for your for the language because the international language is English, and maybe if you go to Arab like Novel, you need to prepare the language they speak in Arab.
Okay.
How about you, Val?
Uh,
The summary.
the summary.
How do you go to study? The conclusion is how do
Hmm.
you go to study abroad?
Study abroad. I think study abroad. Yeah, you need to prepare. The first is same, yeah. Of course, prayer, pray. Okay, prayer. Doa to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Okay, doa. And then you must apa hard hard study hard. And then you must apa study apa tuh up. You must learn again the language, level up your language. Maybe that's all. And you?
Okay, for me, well, gym as high as you can, as high as you want. Don't let people hold you back from gymming. But if you want to gym high, your effort also have to be big. Your efforts have to match how big your gym is. And don't forget to also put alongside prayers to Allah, with because three of those, if all three are not to put together, it's you're just lying to yourself and you're just being cocky to Allah.
Okay.
And don't ever give up on your dreams, just keep going. Eventually it will show its results no matter how long. Okay, that's all from me.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, pal, you open, now you close.
Okay. Maybe that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.